Very good morning, everybody. Today, I want to discuss on MCOM project report the preparation. All of you might be very well aware. In recent days, the project report is part and parcel of almost all the PG courses like MCOM, MBA, and MA courses. The very basic, the purpose of this course is to educate uh, to young minds about research methodology, and also enhance the research skills among young postgraduate students. In fact, the every discipline attempting to impart the skills, especially the students are concerned. The commerce course, MCOM course, was designed with the intention of to provide advanced knowledge in the area of commerce, trade, industry, banking and finance, accounting, and in other area. Uh, in order to achieve this, we the people are required to design the syllabi, and we the people to ensure dynamic course curriculum, and we the people should ensure the course curriculum according to changing the business environment, or we should think in the line of changing environment, really that has own impact as far as the performance of the course. Uh, as by considering this, the different universities having introduced the project report at MCOM level. Here I am not going to go detail into on research and project report, but I want to restrict my discussion uh, briefly. I'm not discuss detail. I want to discuss in brief. Uh, Project report is a report which speaks different aspects about research report, or it answer to different questions. Is it to be called as a research report? What are the different aspects of research report? From first page to second page, whatever things are there, no, that are called as different aspects. In fact, the whatever information to be included by the researcher in their research report, no, that should be systematic, that should be scientific, that should be logical one, that should be a base for certain the information. Suppose researchers are not serious about disclosing the facts on the basis of data, no? That is not really reflect uh, the exact situation, or that is not really reflect correct the positions of the organization, or the particular activities of the organization. So, research report is a report which speaks different aspects about research and research report. Namely, it speaks about statement of the problems and objectives of the study, hypothesis of this study and sources of data and the sample design and scope and limitation of the study. And also it speaks about statistical tools and what are the chapters that made by the researcher as far as a particular research report are concerned. These are the things also we come to know from the or any research report, especially MCOM project report or MBA project report. But one more thing I said, no, it answers the questions. Whatever minor research or major research to be emerged uh, as in any discipline, the intention is to answer the questions or to find out the solution or to disclose the information why this problem arises, how does this problem impact, and what should be needed the organization or government or society to overcome this. These are the things now we come to know from the research report. And therefore, research report uh, that emerged with the intention of to answer the different the questions that are relating to the particular uh, organization. For example, you take the product related. Suppose if you want to take research on performance of organization uh, relating to different the products of organization. So whatever organization you take, organization producing different products. Some organization having better performance as far as a particular product are concerned, and the same organization not having good performance as far as the other products are concerned. So, in order to say exactly why the organization is not performing well as far as sale of particular product are concerned. For this, we require the researcher because the research ensures scientific information, scientific data, and scientific analysis, scientific interpretation. Uh, with these things, no, the researcher exactly comment what are the reasons for slow growth of product, what are the reasons for less sales of product, what are the reasons for the organization failing to retain the customers, attend the requirement of customers, compete with competitors, like that. So research arise to answer the questions, and it deals with systematic gathering of data, information, and facts for adding something to existing the knowledge. Research report deals with systematic gathering of data, information, and facts for adding something to existing knowledge is said to be called as researcher. This statement, it is very clear that research deals with gathering of data, information, and facts. So, do you think without data, is there any way to comment exactly on any problem? Without information, we are able to say uh, anything about any problems of organization. So data is the base. Once a researcher gather the data is really educating us about the problems of organization, about the lack of organization, about why the organization is failing, really that perform better as far as the particular activities are concerned. So research is a systematic effort It deals with the gathering of data, facts, and information, and interpreting the data with the help of statistical tools. So this turned to adding something to the existing knowledge. This is called as a research report. Of course, MCOM students or MBA students not much serious about this. They are okay. It is a part of MCOM curriculum. I mean, it is 100 marks paper. Uh, Maybe 50 marks for Viva's exam, 50 marks for presentation, and in some university 20 marks for Viva's exam, and 80 marks for dissertation like that. And they are uh, undertaking MCOM project or MBA project, their level best because of paucity of time and even many problems being the facing by the PG holder as far as undertaking the uh, research work are concerned at department level, because sometimes the industries are not cooperating with researcher. Due to that reason, they are unable to gather right information and adequate information to do the project, whatever it is. But of course, so the MCOM project report or MBA project report are really changing the knowledge of the students uh, because they are required to do many things. They are required to understand about data, required to understand about types of data, required to understand exactly sample size and why should we select sample size and how much should we select, what are the base for that, and how the sample is really answering the questions. So like, these are the things really they are able to understand with the help of the research. And one more thing I want to share with you. Research report deals with systematic investigation. I mean, the whatever information to be included by the researcher in research report, they included on the basis of what? On the basis of systematic investigation, systematic inquiry. And once we have systematic investigation and systematic inquiry as far as study the research problems are concerned, of course, this is really helping the young minds to disclose the right and correct and proper the information about different aspects of the organization or organizational activities. I hope all of you clear from this research project report is a report. Uh, this report to be prepared by the young minds on the basis of the facts, information, and maybe the facts may be primary data or facts may be secondary data, or sometime having dialogue with the respondent, or dialogue with employees, dialogue with customers, dialogue with sample of the people of society like that. Need for academic project. So why academic project is required? There are many reasons for undertake the academic project report. I mean, we are undertaking academic project report because of many reasons. To get academic degree, as far as MCOM course are concerned, we have to study different papers. Along with that, the project report also one of the important paper, and it is compulsory paper that carries 20 marks for IOS exam and 80 marks for dissertation or the report. So without that undertaking the study on project report, uh, the students not able to get the income degree. So whatever the academic project to be the undertaken by the young minds, no, the intention is to get the academic degree. because MCOM degree is a postgraduate degree. Once students study this paper, then only they are entitled to get the MCOM degree. Similarly, MPhil degree. Suppose we want to get MPhil degree, we should undertake the research and submit the dissertation or thesis to the university, and with the help of that we are able to acquire the academic degree. Similarly in PhD also like that. So to get academic degree, academic project is needed to get academic degree and to improve the educational qualifications, because generally uh, whatever the additional things, especially educational activities are concerned. Suppose you undertake, of course, that is really helping to improve the educational qualification. I said after become next the next is postgraduate degree. So once we undertake the MCOM degree, and we have to study the different paper along with project report. So it is improving the educational qualification. The exact example for this is after completion of postgraduate degree, we are undertaking MPhil or PhD or postdoctoral work. So these are the things, really adding something to our the educational qualification, and even job market also. I mean, we have more opportunities as far as employment are concerned after having these degrees, because the competitors are come down, and sometimes the qualifications like MCOM, PhD, and MPhil, or even postdoctoral are helping us to distinguish our competency from others. So therefore, we are able to get the job and enhancing the knowledge of students. I said at the beginning, I said MCOM project report emerged with the intention of to provide knowledge about research methodology, and enhance the skills. Our skills are essential, especially the commerce students, meant for to assist the business communities to carry out different business functions, like production, marketing, and other functions. Without having the knowledge of the research, do you think the commerce students are really helping the business community to perform the business activities? Because once we have research mind, or once we have research knowledge, we are able to think logically, rationally, and in a systematic way as far as the day-to-day affairs of the business are concerned. That is helping the organization to take the right decision, or rational decision, or appropriate the decision. So once we have the appropriate decision, really that make difference as far as the performance of the organization are concerned. Uh, to educate students about research component and techniques, a research report or research project really educating about research component among the young minds. Whatever research report to take different components are there. It's speaking about identification of research problems, and it's speaking about objectives of the study. It's speaking about hypothesis, sources of data, and sample design, scope and limitation, statistical tools, and chapter schemes. These are the main the component of research report. So properly, the researcher not define the research problem. Is it really helping the researcher to answer the question? That is not really helping to answer the questions. So that MCOM project or MBA project really that playing vital role as far as helping the students to understand about different the components of research are. As you know very well, identifying and defining research problem is very, very important. Once we involved in research, from that we are able to know exactly what are the source for research problems, I mean research problem, and how to develop the research statement of research problem, and what should be include, and how to start, how to end. Generally, uh, we are concentrating as far as writing research problem are concerned. We start with significance and end with problems. So, why we have to end with problems? Our statement of the problem is clearly reveals the what are the problem being facing by the organization, and what are the problems being studying by the researcher in the particular research report, or particular the research area, and understand the relevance of academic understand the relevance of research in academic improvement. So once we undertaken no research project, of course, it is really helping the young minds to understand role and relevance of research course, as far as improving the overall the ability of the young minds are concerned. Now, attain the personal desire. We have different desire to acquire knowledge, skills, degrees, but somebody wanted to do MCOM, uh, PhD, and even postdoctoral, and even sometimes they are involved themselves to write a paper on problem area, and they are contributing something to discipline. That are the desire. So, in order to attain personal desire, the project report undertaken by the young minds, or even the people of society, undertaking research on particular area to attain their own personal requirement, provide input for solve the problem. I said at the beginning, the research arise where problem is there. Of course, a business now deals with different activities, different people, different environment. For this, sometimes this type of things no, not favorable as far as the business purpose are concerned. So whatever unfavorable conditions emerge in the organization, in order to avoid that, the organization is required to ensure the research. Generally, big organization have own team of, I mean, research team, and even many academicians are undertaking the research, including students. So they are provide some inputs as far as to solve the problems are concerned. I hope all of you clear about the need for the MCOM project report, and objectives of project report are. What are the basic objectives of project report? There are different objectives behind as far as the preparations of project report or the concern. Provide detailed information about a particular topic. Whatever project report you take, that no, provide detailed information about a particular topic. For example, suppose if you want to take a study on employee satisfaction towards the working condition in unorganized sector. So as far as this is concerned, we have to gather different information. We have to gather different information from books, journals, articles. Sometimes we have to refer thesis, dissertation, and minor report, and even government reports. From that, now we are able to understand many things. That is now helping to prepare project report properly. Maybe it's speaking about the why unorganized employees are not happy with working condition. What are the types of working condition is there, and how does that impact, and why that type of working condition emerged, and what type of diseases actually that are taking place. I mean, having the unorganized employees. What is that? What is the magnitude of that diseases as far as health condition of the workers are the concern? And further, it disclose different the aspects about unorganized sector with special reference to working condition. So whatever report you take, that report no, speaks many things about the research problem. Generally, researcher disclosed the information in research report based on research objectives, based on the why the researcher undertaken the particular research. Or maybe it speaks about research objectives, speaks about review of literature, speaks about hypothesis, speaks about that research methodology, and maybe data collection and selections of methods of data collection and sample design, and what methodology actually adopted by the researcher as far as the selections of sample size are concerned. What are the base for that, and even the it that speaks uh, chapterization also, that chapterization. I mean, whatever project you take, every project requires certain chapters. Then only that is that I mean, especially MCOM project are concerned. No? At least we require 5 chapters. First is introduction chapter. Second is sometime profile of the study, or sometime core chapter. Third is maybe that third chapter also core chapter. Fourth and fifth is summary of findings, conclusion, and many other additional things also we have been required to include in project report. So these are the information we are able to know from the project report or dissertation or minor project report like that. Ensures proper information to business for formulation of policies. Of course, income students undertaken research project for their own sake, but I am not sure the income project report is really helping to business community to formulate the policies. Of course, it is really helping the MCOM students to understand about research and understand about component of the research report. Sometimes some students are undertaking very serious research on particular area. And that type of research really helping to know the way in which the organization is working, the way in which organization is really performing their activities, or the way in which organization that managing the employee, and what are the problem being facing by the organization as far as managing the customer, managing the employees. These are the things no, disclosed by the research report in the form of what, in the form of finding, and also they gave roadmap as far as to overcome the problems are the concern now. And innovation in different area of business, research project emerged. The intention is what to innovate something in different area. In fact, innovation nothing but what introduce something that is new. I mean that are not there in any area, that is called as innovation. Innovations are very essential, especially even individual activities are concerned, business activities are concerned, and to perform business functions are concerned. because innovation really make the difference as far as their performance or activities or their competency, effectiveness, or the concern. So research emerged to ensure innovation in different area. Already I said, no, whatever business you take, they have to do many things. They have to uh, perform production related activities. Production related activity is not an easy job. Suppose organization not having innovations as far as productions of product are concerned, features of product are concerned, quality of product are concerned, and even shape of the product are concerned, packing of the product are concerned. Is it really helping the organization to sell the product? That is not possible. So research ensures innovations because any research undertaken that ensures to study thoroughly and researcher gather different information. On the basis of that, a researcher able to comment scientifically. Once researcher comments scientifically, outcomes are what outcomes he able to say this thing should be adopted or new things should be incorporate as far as manage the customer are concerned and handle the raw materials are concerned, handle the employees are concerned, and even the packing product are concerned, marketing strategies are concerned, like that. So innovation in different area of business also possible because of what? Because of rigorous research, rigorous research study are concerned, utilization of business opportunities and tackle the problem. This is also another important the reason or objectives as far as to undertake the research or in any that individual or organization or even MCOM project is a minor research project. Of course, whenever students are serious and students are having great ability as far as to undertake the research are concerned. Of course, they are really giving some tips or some ways to organization to utilize the resources and utilize opportunities and also tackle threats. For example, how research is tackling the threat. For any research scholar undertaking the research on customer management in fast-moving consumer product production organization. So from this, no, the story that researcher is able to say exactly about the behavior of the customer, that expectations of the customer, and the level of income of the customer, and also taste preference and why customers using and what are the reasons forcing them to use the product and what really they are expecting from the organization as far as to uh, product are concerned. So these are the things, no, really helping the organization to utilize the opportunity and handle the adverse conditions and ensure proper business decision. So during the business hours, of course, research report provide different information. I'm not sure the MCOM project or MBA project really provide good information or scientific information to business communities to take the business decision. But every big organization have own research team or research department. They are undertaking the research about different activities of organization, really that help the business organization to think scientifically, act scientifically, and make the right and appropriate decisions as far as economic activities or economic that activities or economic uh, what I'm going to tell here, economic activity meant for to make the profit. Once business organization have the inputs like this, of course, these are the things are really helping the organization to take right decision or take actions like that. And research really making that difference as far as uh, keep the customers happy. I mean, once research organization having, they are really preparing themselves to keep the employees happy, customer happy, society happy, and even its organization itself happy. Because organization happy when organization make profit. Without right decision, organization not able to perform the things properly. uh, as a result of that, no, the organization not become happy, because whenever organization not make profit, organization not become happy, because of what organization have many obligations to discharge properly. They needed right things, they needed scientific things, they needed the appropriate things in the organization. Of course, research really helping the organization to attain their own the requirement. IMCOM project also the really uh, helping the organization to understand about organization, profile of the organization, strength and weakness of the organization, and the way the organization is required to strengthen, why required to strengthen. These are the things we come to know from the one minor research project or major research project or MCOM project or MBA project. Okay, these are the some important the things now that saying exactly why project report. In addition to that, now in order to increase the ability of the individuals, no, we needed to undertake project report, or in order to increase the status of business organization, status of country, and status of any organization. The research is very essential. Uh, Therefore, most of the discipline they have included the project report as a compulsory paper in most of the universities. And relevance of academic project. Why academic project? Already I said many things from that. It is very obvious that academic project is very, very important. But in addition to that, no, I want to say a few information. Helps to know financial affairs of business organization, or it reveals exactly the financial positions of organization. Suppose we insist upon the young minds to undertake the research on the to study on financial positions of X or Y organization or XYZ organization. Uh, the students know, able to understand exactly about financial the affairs of the organization, financial positions of the organization, and the what are the sources of finance of organization and how they are managing. And suppose they are managing properly, what are the reasons for that? Suppose they are not managing properly, what are the reasons for that? And also the researcher is really that give that roadmap as far as to utilize the available financial resources properly for better purposes. Ensures to understand about customer and needs of the customer, and the behavior of the customers, and dynamism of the customers, and preference of the customers, and even other features. All of you might be aware the customers are very dynamic. Whatever today they having as far as their expectations are concerned, that may not be tomorrow, that may not be uh, in future, because every day many changes are taking place. So in order to understand exactly by the organization, or whenever researcher wants to know about the customers of particular organization, Of course, the academic project helping to understand about customer, the even dynamism of the customer, like data, and help to understand reasons for less utilizations of resources. Academic projects also really helping uh, the organization to know why the organization failed to utilize resources. What are the reasons for that? And why organization less utilized as far as men are concerned, machine are concerned, material are concerned, even available resources are concerned. Why organization fail to grab the available opportunity? Why organization fail to tackle the problems? Okay, these are the uh, things. In fact, the organization come to know from the minor research project or minor research, and ensure input to solve the business problem. Already I said, research is a base to solve the problem. Research is a base to handle the different problems or different situations. So academic project providing some inputs, especially uh, the young, the especially the that business activities are concerned. Sometimes that no, really changing the style of the business or behavior of the business. It is the way through which they are able to incorporate the things that no, are helping them to come out from the problems or come out from the adverse conditions. I hope all of you clear relevance of academic project. Academic project, in fact, academic project really helping the business community to make the profit or to take right decisions or to understand exactly about customers. From my discussion, it is very obvious that uh, MCOM project or MBA project or MA projection intention is what to provide research knowledge, research skills, and research methodology. Uh, Research skills plays vital role as far as individual lives are concerned. Every day we are undertaking many things. Many problems come across every day. In order to handle that, no, we require research mind. Whenever we are working in organization, we require research mind. Of course, research mind, no, really having great the benefit as far as organization are concerned. They are contributing positively or lot as far as to take the rational decisions or business decisions are concerned. Uh, what so far as I have discussed, no, I hope all of you clear. But in next video, I will discuss uh, about different the components of the research project. Whatever so far as I have discussed, it speaks about research project and relevance of research project, and how does research project really improving the ability of the young minds. How does minor research project really helping the business communities to understand their weaknesses, understand their plus point, and also how does the minor research findings or suggestions helping the business community to take the different business decisions. So, because whatever research uh, emerged uh, as far as the academic institutions are concerned, of course, they are disclosing many the fair things or truths about the activities that really give the roadmap as far as the moving the organization in a right direction. So, I hope all of you clear what I have discussed so as. Thank you.